Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of the PLEGBLE Place 511 drone. A top-tier choice for both beginners and seasoned flyers alike. This ultra-lightweight drone, weighing under 250 grams, features a stunning 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, capturing breathtaking 3,840 by 2,160p photos and videos. Equipped with 3 modular batteries, it offers an impressive 45 minutes of flight time, while its brushless motors ensure stability, efficiency, and wind resistance. The Place 511 is packed with user-friendly features like one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, and a beyond range loss prevention alarm system, making it perfect for carefree flying. Its foldable design and dedicated storage case make it easy to transport, and with no FAA or remote ID registration required, you can enjoy worry-free flying in the US. Enhance your drone experience with detailed video tutorials and instructions, and if you need assistance, our customer support is ready to help. Elevate your aerial adventures with the PLEGBLE Place 511 drone and capture the world from a whole new perspective. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.